In this part, I am going to make a lighter using the 9V battery that I made earlier. Here we solder the battery compartment to place the rest of the components. Solder the voltage on/off switch to the battery. As in the video, we solder the copper wire to the battery. And we solder another copper wire to the key. And we place the copper wires facing each other. We use nickel-chrome wire for better voltage transmission. We connect nickel-chrome wire to copper wires. As you can see, the electric lighter works properly, and this is because of the nickel-chrome wire that can withstand a lot of heat.